Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our video on what makes every surah in the Quran unique. The Quran is a book of guidance for Muslims and it consists of 114 surahs, each with its distinct characteristics and features. Let's explore what makes every surah unique. Let's start with number 1, its length. The first characteristic that makes every surah unique is its length. Each surah has its distinct length, ranging from just a few verses to over 280 verses in the case of Surah Al-Baqarah. The length of each surah is not random, but rather reflects the topic and theme covered in that surah. Number 2, its content. The second characteristic that makes every surah unique is its content. Each surah covers a specific topic or theme, such as belief in Allah, ethics, history, laws, stories of the prophets, and more. The topics covered in surah are unique and they reflect the diversity of human experience. Number 3 is its style. The third characteristic that makes every surah unique is its style. Each surah is written in a unique style with its rhythm, rhyming pattern, and literary devices. Some surahs have a more poetic style, with others are more narrative. This style adds to the beauty of the Quran and makes it a masterpiece of Arabic literature. Number 4 is its order. The fourth characteristic that makes every surah unique is its order. The order of the surahs in the Quran is not random, but reflects the overall structure and flow of the Quran. Some surahs were revealed early in the prophetic career of Prophet Muhammad ﷺ, while others were revealed later. The order of the surahs also reflects the broader message and themes of the Quran as a whole. Number 5, its purpose. The fifth and final characteristic that makes every surah unique is its purpose. Each surah has its unique purpose, whether it is to provide guidance, teach a lesson, provide comfort, or warn against evil. The purpose of each surah is also connected to the broader message and themes of the Quran as a whole. In conclusion, every surah in the Quran is unique in terms of its length, content, style, order, and purpose. The combination of these characteristics makes the Quran a beautiful and valuable source of guidance for Muslims. We hope this video has helped you understand the unique features of every surah in the Quran.